Imagine locking eyes with a creature that shares 98% of your DNA, a creature that can laugh, grieve, and even hold grudges. But here's the real question. How did gorillas, these gentle giants of the forest, go from ruling the jungles to fighting for survival in a world shaped by us? To understand gorillas, we have to go back millions of years, to a time when early primates roamed Africa's vast forests. Gorillas are the largest living primates on Earth, split into two species, the eastern and western gorilla. Over time, they developed remarkable traits: enormous strength, capable of lifting over 10 times their body weight, complex social structures led by silverback males, and a mostly plant-based diet that keeps them in harmony with their environment. They are not just another forest animal, they are the gardeners of the jungle, spreading seeds, pruning plants, and keeping the ecosystem alive. Our history with gorillas is complicated. For centuries, they were shrouded in myth, portrayed as dangerous beasts in explorers' tales. When Western science discovered them in the mid-19th century, fascination quickly turned into exploitation. Gorillas were hunted for trophies, captured for zoos, and displayed as exotic curiosities. Unlike domesticated animals, gorillas have never been bred for human purposes, but our intrusion into their world has changed them. They've learned to fear us, and in some cases to tolerate us, when tourism brings money that protects their forests. Today, fewer than 100 mountain gorillas remain in the wild. Deforestation, poaching, and disease are their greatest threats. Gorillas can catch human illnesses like the flu, which can be fatal to them. That's why researchers often wear masks when they approach these animals. Bushmeat hunting and the illegal wildlife trade still claim lives, and with forests shrinking, gorillas are forced into smaller territories, sometimes sparking violent conflicts within their own groups. Climate change adds another layer of danger, altering the plants they depend on and shifting the weather patterns in their highland habitats. The gorilla's story is a mirror for humanity. It shows how our curiosity can lead to understanding, but also to destruction. It reminds us that intelligence alone isn't enough. Empathy is just as vital. If we can protect creatures so similar to ourselves, perhaps we can prove that our power over nature doesn't have to be a curse. It can be a responsibility. So, what can you do? Support wildlife conservation organizations that are on the ground protecting gorilla habitats. Share what you've learned with others. And the next time you see a gorilla's face in a photo or a documentary, remember, they're more than just animals in a faraway jungle. They're our cousins, and their fate is tied to ours. What do you think? Are we doing enough to protect gorillas? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if this story moved you, give it a like, share it, and subscribe for more wildlife stories that matter. Until next time, stay curious, stay compassionate.